How to remove a Microsoft account from your PC. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are wondering how you are able to remove any Microsoft account from your PC, you've come to the right place. So let's just jump right in without any further delay. First of all, you are going to have to access your settings menu. Go to the start menu over here and click on settings. Once you land on the settings page, on the left hand side, you'll find different categories of your settings. Find the account section right over here. Click on it. And once you get to the account section, scroll down until you find emails and accounts. Tap on email and accounts, and you'll find multiple accounts if you have it over here. So you'll see a list of all of your accounts, whether it be your personal account, school, or a work account. All of it is going to be here. So this one right here is my main account, but down below is my secondary account. So what I can do is just click on it, click on the drop down over here, and then I'm able to click on this remove account option. You'll see this button over here. And if you want to manage your account settings without actually removing it, you can also do that. So if you click on manage, it's going to take you over to your Microsoft account and you can manage your settings from here. But what I'll basically do is remove it for now. Tap on remove account and then click on yes. What it's going to happen is email and content associated with the account will be removed from the device and the organization manages this device. So tap on yes, and now the account is removed just like that. And it's as easy as that. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification bell so you get notified about our latest uploads, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.